Welcome to the All-Star Math Video Tutor. This is Mr. Easter, and the topic of this lesson is adding and subtracting integers. For purposes in this lesson, we are going to have all of our positive numbers colored green and all of our negative numbers colored red. Here we have a problem with a negative integer and a positive integer, negative 4 plus 2. Now, I'm going to show you two ways in which you can take on this problem and find the solution. The first one is to write out 4 negatives representing the negative 4 and 2 positives representing the positive 2. We can mark off a negative and a positive, canceling each of them out, and we're left with 2 negatives, which is our solution to the problem negative 4 plus 2. You can also use a number line if you would like to, starting at the negative 4 on the number line and moving in the positive direction 2. The positive direction on the number line is right, and the negative direction on the number line is left. So if we moved positive 2, we would move 2 spaces to the right, which lands us at negative 2, which again is our solution to negative 4 plus 2. Here's another example with 2 negative integers being combined. Here we have negative 3 minus 2, and they're represented by 3 negative signs and 2 negative signs. Now nothing can cancel out between these because they are all negative signs. So if we count up the total number of negative signs we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, resulting in negative 5. If we wanted to solve this on our number line, we would start with our first number, negative 3, and we would go to the left. Remember that going to the left represents subtracting or our negative values. We would move to the left 2, ending again at negative 5, which is our solution. Now we're going to look at an example where we have a positive number and we're subtracting a negative number from that positive number with 2 subtraction signs right next to each other. A rule in mathematics is when you have 2 subtraction signs directly next to each other, they will always come together and create an addition sign. So for example, in this problem, 5 minus a negative 2, the 2 negative signs next to each other will change into a positive number, creating 5 plus 2, which results in 7. 2 negatives side by side will always result in a positive sign. This is the end of this All-Star Math video lesson. Thank you.